Hello everybody, welcome back, C-Ray Tech here. So I've had enough time to be able to fly the awesome FPV Bobie 115 and I have been having a blast with this thing. I'll quickly list off the specs right here so you guys can see what we're working with here. Just give me 1 second. So this is, oh man, you know, I just recently started flying a lot of these little brushless micros, and I'm going to say right now I think this is the biggest brushless quad that I have flying, and it is definitely impressive. 115 millimeter wheelbase, so like I said, I'll have all of it up here. This is running a Omnibus F3 flight controller. It's the same stack as the awesome FPV F100. So that's running with OSD. It's got a 5 volt 1 amp BEC, which is pretty awesome. It's running a 4-in-1 BL Heli S 10 amp ESC. This has got a 600 TV line camera with 5.8 gigahertz FPV. It says the range is about 250 meters, which is about right. I would get to about the edge of a baseball field and start receiving some breakup. If you guys are interested in just checking out some DVR footage, I do have a video of the Bobie 115 and the awesome FPV F100, so you guys can check that out. I'll throw a card up so you guys can see that. But back to the specs. Yep, this is running 25-35 2.5 inch props. They recommend a 500 milliamp hour 7.4 volt 2S battery. I've been running it with the Beta FPV 450 and 600 milliamp hour batteries. I've been finding that these 600 milliamp hour batteries have been working best. This will do, I think, 2 and 3S. So I'm excited to be able to try 3S batteries on this build. Let's see what else. I think that's basically it for the specs on this bad boy. Yeah, this thing is just lives up to the name once again. Awesome FPV. You are doing awesome things. This is a very fun quad to fly. I haven't had any issues yet so far. I will say that the stock tune is very nice. I found it pretty good for what I'm trying to do. I've been just basically flying a little bit of freestyle. I haven't been trying to do any real racing or anything yet, but I hope to have a video out on that soon so I can tell you, you know, whether or not this would be acceptable as far as my preferences go when it comes to racing. So yeah, I think that's going to be all for the Bobie 115. Definitely check this out, so go ahead and head over to hobbycool.com. I'll have links in the description to this item and some other stuff that they have over there. But I think that's going to be all for me today. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to ask. And as always, fly safe, fly often.